Well, we only have hours left of our recent cold snap. Temperatures already warm up for the weekend, and we're watching a storm system next week that'll bring moisture mainly to northern Minnesota. So it was a cold morning, but most places did stay above zero, ironically thanks to the wind. Keeps the atmosphere mixed up rather than the ground radiating away all the heat and developing that cold inversion layer. But single digits for most places, including the Twin Cities actually, was colder than northeastern Minnesota because we had clearer skies. Cold high pressure sitting just to our south now. That means already on the backside of this we'll get return flow or southerly flow as that air moves clockwise around a high pressure area. So tomorrow, jumping up in temperatures into the upper 20s, still slightly below normal. Still a cold night tonight, probably around 10. Single digits in northern Minnesota, but lighter winds. And tomorrow, upper 20s here, but low 30s in southwestern Minnesota. Still pockets of teens in northeastern Minnesota, but we're making progress. And Saturday and Sunday will be downright balmy here as anomalous warmth moves back into the areas. That brief cold departs Saturday, Sunday, Monday. All 3 days above normal temperatures, all 3 days probably above freezing too for southern Minnesota anyway. And we are going to see a swath of moisture develop Friday night into Saturday. This is along the leading edge of the warmth, but that's mostly going to affect northeastern Minnesota, and primarily Manitoba and Ontario will see the bulk of snowfall totals. But we could see a wintry mix even early Saturday across portions of far northern and northeastern Minnesota. But once again, it's going to be mostly the Arrowhead region that sees maybe an inch or two of snow and then pretty sharp cutoffs as we head south and west, so probably nothing in the Twin Cities out of that system other than a little bit of cloud cover as that warmer air advances back in. But low to mid 40s even Saturday afternoon for southern Minnesota, 30s to the north even. And then Sunday, more of the same, might be even warmer, probably at least low to mid 40s again for southern Minnesota, 20s and 30s to the north. You can kind of tell the difference here over the weekend of where there's no snow or very little compared to a developing snowpack in the northern part of the state. It does make a difference this time of year with those temperatures. And then this big spinning mass of clouds just south of the Aleutians. This is the next storm system that'll be playing into our weather for early next week, starting late Sunday into Monday, Tuesday, kind of lingering into Wednesday. Watch this cutoff low and kind of the merger of a couple of waves together and kind of spin right over our region. Now the problem is we're going to be sort of in the dry slot part of the storm system where most of the moisture is going to be to our north. We're going to see another area of moisture to the south, southeast, and in between southern Minnesota, we're looking at probably not much. So northern Minnesota will see snow Sunday night into Monday, Tuesday, and then maybe Wednesday we'll see some snow showers farther south as colder air moves in. So we'll get the cold from that storm system next week, but probably very little in the way of snowfall. European model is the most aggressive, maybe up to 10 inches of snow there, but the other models more in the several inches range, maybe 2 to 4 inches. So still a wide variety of possibilities for snow even for northern Minnesota, but it does look like we're not going to see really anything here. But again, we will see the blast of cold air Wednesday into Thursday. This time, not for one day, but looks like a few days of colder weather mid to late week next week. But you can see temperatures are already rebounding back above freezing. So we're getting into territory here where it's a big question mark if we'll have a white Christmas for southern Minnesota, including the Twin Cities. We've had the colder air at least compared to last winter, but it's just been really hard to get much in the way of moisture around here. 21 today, we're already at that, 28 tomorrow, and then a very mild weekend, 43 Saturday and Sunday, still above freezing Monday. Now we could see a few light rain or snow showers Monday, maybe a few snow showers Tuesday, but again, as we just talked about, northern Minnesota is going to be the primary beneficiary of that moisture. But it will be colder, Wednesday 19 degrees, windy. Thursday will be pretty chilly next week too.